Hey there, David Perdew here from MyNAMS.com and the Novice to Advanced Marketing System. Unless you're already doing 7 figures a year with your online business, pay attention to what I'm going to tell you. The biggest stumbling block for every person trying to reach that magical 7-figure number is not having simple little systems in place. Now, whether you're just starting out or closing in quickly on big numbers, this is the most important thing you can do in your business today. Every successful business person knows that systems are the difference between huge success and working yourself to death. I get it. When I was struggling to build an online business, the last thing I wanted to do was spend a lot of time creating systems to run my business. The reason was I didn't know how. But since biting the bullet a few years ago and focusing on processes that work, our expenses and profit have been covered every day without scrambling to find cash. So what's the secret? Simple little systems. And when you build simple little systems to cover small tasks in your business, one day you wake up and you've got a big system that is generating cash like clockwork. Now, here's where most folks get stuck, including me. It's knowing where to start. That's why we created the MyNAMS Profit Planners and Business Accelerators. Each package contains 5 essential elements to help you build simple little systems fast without spending hours in front of a screen watching endless training videos on the theory of running a business. Theory doesn't cut it. We want step-by-step, do what I do that works instruction so that we don't have to spin our wheels at all. So each month we deliver a new Profit Planner and Business Accelerator. These step-by-step packages include a short textbook or special report overview of an essential business topic, a workbook that guides you through the step-by-step process to implement it, a checklist to ensure that you don't miss any steps, a tools and resources guide to help you shorten the learning curve, an infographic highlighting the main points, and you can print it out to keep it close so you can always revisit the steps. It's not too much, it's not too little, and it's just right. These step-by-step packages help you get money-making and time-saving business systems up and running today. And since we do one each month, you can make consistent progress, one building on the other. The topics we've covered in the past are autoresponder money machine, hot profitable niches, coaching profits, WordPress starter kit, dump your day job, unlimited blog traffic, blogging like a pro, Facebook marketing 3.0, leverage Facebook Live, affiliate marketing cash, $100 startup, bootstrapping your business in 30 days, and new leads blueprint. Listen, if you're doing business online, there's a ton of strategies and tactics that you need to implement to create a series of small systems. Soon, more money comes flowing in because of your execution, and you have more time to enjoy it. Small systems that eventually work together become an automated business that makes money for you all the time. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Whether you're working or at the beach, this is truly a make money while you sleep operation. The big boys and girls making 7 figures online today have massive systems in place, but they didn't start with massive systems. They started with simple little systems. At NAMS, we have a massive automated system in place that covers our nut every day before we even wake up. But we started with simple little systems that grew into an integrated and automated business that works for us. We want you to be able to create the same thing and enjoy your life more. And we won't charge you an arm and a leg for it either. In fact, if you try the MyNAMS Profit Planners and Business Accelerators today for just $1, you'll get this month's Profit Planner plus 5 others as a bonus. And if you don't agree that this is the best thing since sliced bread, cancel before the end of the trial period and you won't be charged. And you can keep the Profit Planners you downloaded. Obviously, we think you're going to love this. And if you have a vision for a real business, you'll see that these will help you get there faster. But don't wait. We may not keep this trial offer open for long. We can only service so many people. Jump on it and get your Profit Planners and Business Accelerators today by clicking the button below to get started with a $1 no-risk trial.